four mindsets any new or aspiring Scrum Master have that won't help them to get their first Scrum Master job. Number one, they believe that certification will help me to land into a Scrum Master job. Guys, certification is just 15% of your overall profile. Rest 85% is your mindset and is your practical implementation knowledge. Okay, certification is just like a hall ticket which will open up the interview door for you. But to crack the interview, you need to demonstrate your practical implementation knowledge. Okay, certification will give you the basic knowledge, but whatever you learn in this certification, you need to implement that in your personal as well as professional life. So don't just rely on certification. Number two, they feel that or they believe that agile scrum is only related to some kind of software industry or some kind of product development. Agile is everywhere, guys. Scrum is everywhere, agile is everywhere, because agile is a mindset. Okay, so you can implement Scrum practices, you can leave agile values and principles anywhere you want. You can implement Scrum even in your personal life, even in the boundaries of your current job role. So irrespective of your current job role, maybe you are a quality analyst, developer, business analyst, project manager in IT industry, or even if you are from non-IT industry, maybe you are a teacher, you are from banking side, you are from healthcare, you are from mechanical background, electrical background. Irrespective of the industry you are into, you can still apply Agile and Scrum. Okay, you just need to find out those voluntary opportunities and try to implement that in your current job role as well as in your personal life. So let me give you an example how you can implement Scrum in your personal life. So consider that you want to apply for a Scrum Master job. So you can just implement or you can just apply Scrum for this particular activity. Just jot down all of the tasks which you need to do to appear or to apply for a Scrum Master job. You may need to update your CV. You may need to connect with different recruiters. You may need to increase your personal branding. You may need to connect or increase your networking. You may need to apply for right Scrum Master jobs, or you need to appear for Scrum Master interviews. So just make a list of all of them and try to work on them by fixing a time box of, let's say, 1 week. Same like sprint, set some small goal that in the by the end of that 1 week, I should get at least 2 interview calls. And then try to complete all the tasks which you have already jotted down on your personal board, maybe on your wall of your home where you have to do in progress and done column, or maybe in your Jira tool, right? You have your personal board, and then start working on those tasks which you have planned, maybe updating your CV, right? So you take that one task from to do to in progress. You actually update your CV and then mark it as done. Same way you start working on other stories or other tasks which you have planned. Every day you just quickly see if you are facing any challenges or risk to achieve your goal here. And your goal here is to get those 2 interview calls. And then at the end of 1 week, just have a quick review of yourself, how your 1 week, I mean, what was your goal and how many tasks you have planned, how many of them are completed, how many of them are not completed, what all challenges you faced, and have a quick retrospective of yourself. Just reflect back in that 1 week how your 1 week went, whether you achieved your goal of getting those 2 interview calls or not. Consider that you did not get any interview call. Reflect back. Where are the gaps? Why I did not get any interview calls? Is this something I need to update my CV again? Or probably maybe I need to increase my personal branding on LinkedIn. Where is the gap? Where I need to improve on? And start improving on those stuff, guys. That's how everyone start their journey as a Scrum Master. Continuously improve. Number three, they wait for Scrum Master opportunities, Scrum Master job to implement Scrum. They have this mindset. As I mentioned in point number 2, guys, whatever you learn in certifications, start implementing that in your personal as well as professional life. Don't wait for Scrum Master job to implement Scrum, because Scrum you can implement anywhere, right? Even in your professional life. So if you are, let's say, working with a team, you can ask them that what are tasks we are doing, what are tasks we have in hand. Let's make them transparent by jotting them on some kind of personal board or some kind of board, right? Let's work in smaller iterations rather than working in big bang. Let's set some smaller goals. Let's collaborate together for 15 minutes every day and see how are we progressing to achieve our goals. Have those feedback cycles, continuous reviews, retrospect, reflect back. How are you performing as a team? Where are the areas of improvement? And that's how continuously try to improve. See, you need to take those voluntary opportunities to implement Agile and Scrum in your current team, guys. Nobody's going to come to you and ask you that, okay, please implement Agile or please implement Scrum here. And let's say if you're not working with a team, you are an individual contributor, irrespective of the industry you are currently into. Apply these different Scrum practices with what all tasks you are doing, right? And same goes with Scrum values. So we do have those 5 Scrum values: openness, respect, courage, focus, commitment. And I'm sure most of us are already living and breathing this value, even though we are not a Scrum Master. Okay, let me give you an example. Consider openness. So tell me, how many of you were open enough to share some kind of ideas or to share some kind of solution, some kind of innovation in your current team or maybe in your past team or maybe in your personal life? I'm sure you might have been open enough to share some kind of ideas, some solutions. Meaning what? You are already living one of the Scrum value, which is openness. Same goes with courage. We all face a lot of challenges in our personal as well as professional life, but we all do have courage to navigate through those challenges. We all respect each other. We all respect our family members. We all respect our colleagues. We respect their opinions. Meaning what, guys? We are already living these Scrum values. You don't need to be into a Scrum Master position to implement Scrum or to live these values. Consider one Agile principle, which is welcome change, right? We do have those 12 Agile principle and 4 values, very, very important, which are the backbone of Agile. So that welcome change is not only related with whenever any requirement change comes in between the sprint, we are open or we are welcome to that change. It's there. But we are anyways welcoming a lot of changes in our personal as well as professional life, right? Consider an example of COVID. So nobody expected COVID, guys, but we all welcome that change. Marriages, right? A lot of you must be married, and after marriage, a lot of changes comes in our life, and we all welcome those changes. Meaning what? We are already living those Agile values and principles in some or other way, because Agile is everywhere. Agile is a mindset. It's not only applicable for a software or some kind of product development, guys. So start implementing it, even though you are not a Scrum Master. Then only you will grow, and that's how you will get the practical experience. Number 4, Scrum Masters or aspiring Scrum Masters have this short-term goals and intentions of getting that Scrum Master job. See, your short-term goal should be getting that Scrum Master job. But once you get that job, your long-term goal should be how I'm going to make that impact, being a true leader in my organization, how I'm going to use my skill sets to bring in that agility in my organization, how I'm going to help my team truly to make them more effective, to create that value at the end of the every sprint. So that kind of long-term goal you should have, guys. Most of the Scrum Masters, they are just focused on team level. But you need to really widen your horizon at organizational level, that once I get that Scrum Master job, how I'm going to make that difference in my team as well as in my organization. Because remember, Scrum Master is nothing but a leader of organization. So you need to position yourself as a true leader rather than only talking about some kind of frameworks. All right. Then only others around you will see as a leader, and you really need to act also in the same direction. Okay. So have right long term goals and intentions. And when I say intentions, meaning you should have intentions of truly serving your team without any title, without any expectation, with empathy, right? You are always there in the back of your team to support them whenever they need you. Okay, so that is number 4. I hope you found this video valuable, and if you do so, please like, subscribe, and I am going to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.